Hey guys, it's me Marty and welcome to this week's edition of Tutorial Tuesday. So I wanted to do something different for this tutorial. I've often talked about my skincare routine and what I do every morning and every night and how I do my spa nights and everything, but I've never done a step-by-step morning routine tutorial. So today, that's what I decided to do. I did not do this makeup on there. Obviously, this was before I did this look, but I am in my pretty new birthday gift, Pretty Little Thing pajamas. So this is literally what I slept in last night. I got up and I shot this tutorial. I have my Apple TV remote in my hand. So it's just a step-by-step of what I do every morning. Now, this is just my regular everyday routine. I do have a different routine, a totally different routine at night. I don't even use the same products. And same thing with spa nights. Here's my actual morning routine. Every morning I get up, I get Lulu. Lulu always needs to go pee, so I have to take him outside. When I take him down, I start the Keurig up, brew my little coffee, and I come back upstairs. I will floss my teeth. I will brush my teeth, rinse my mouth, and then that's where I pick it up from here. So that's what I'm going to show y'all today is literally a step-by-step, and I did include every product that I used or mentioned in the corresponding blog post, which will be linked in the description below. So if you want to see what I do every single morning to take care of my skin, to make it look nice, you can just keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so I wanted this to be very, very real. So I literally just got up and I went and I'll do my teeth first. So I'm not going to floss and stuff on camera. If y'all don't know how to floss, that's something that I cannot help you with. But I floss first and then I always do, I brush my teeth with this, which is the Crest 3D White toothpaste. And a little life hack for you, I always squeeze from the bottom because that way you get like every single drop out of this toothpaste. And then after I brush my teeth, I rinse with the 3D White Diamond Strong mouthwash. I've been addicted to the Crest white strips since I tried them a couple years ago. They really did change the look of my teeth, and I still have like 2 boxes under the sink because it's not super sparkly white right now, but most of the time my teeth are pretty white, so I don't want to waste them for no reason. But like if I have an event to go to or something, you are supposed to use them for 40 days straight. I do that probably once a year. I restart the cycle of it. And then there's like, you take 6 months and you do the refresher and then 6 months, whatever. Then I usually do a full 40-day pack. Now I have some extra ones right now. And if I'm going to an event or something, I will put them on while I'm getting ready just because they will make your teeth super white, like first use. And then I don't have any sensitivity. I have that really bad, especially with mouthwash. But that's the only mouthwash that I can use that doesn't make my teeth feel extra sensitive or weird or anything. So I rotate daily between 2 different face washes. I use the St. Ives Exfoliate and Nourish Coconut Oil Scrub, which you can see how much I have left. I use this every other day because my skin is really bad combination skin. Like I have super dry skin or I have super oily skin. And especially since I test out so many things now for the blog, I like to do a deep scrub every other day. So I have that. But today I'm going to be using the IT Confidence in a Cream Cleanser. I did a review on these. I got them for Christmas. I got one for myself and one for my mother as well. The basis of my morning routine is the IT Confidence in a Cleanser Anti-Aging Armor. So, oh my gosh, I'm almost out of this too. I'm almost out of everything. So anyway, the only thing I rotate daily is my cleansers. Everything else stays the same every time. Okay, so here's what I love about this cleanser. And I'll put a card for the Christmas thing at the top when I got it and tried it out for the first time. It is so creamy. So this is what it looks like. It's almost like, you know how we have cleansing conditioners? It's like a moisturizing, it's like a cleansing moisturizer. It's super duper moisturizing. So I put a little bit in my hand. And this is like my literal everyday. Like this is what I do every single morning while I'm getting ready to go to work or whatever I'm doing. Start rubbing it in your hand. It says to massage for a minute. But I always like to start it off in my hand just so I could kind of warm up the product. And also so that it can start foaming. Good minute. And because of my migraines, I like to really focus on massaging in here because it feels really, really good. So there's going to be a lot of stuff in this that is in this tutorial, in this routine because of the migraines. There's a lot of stuff that I have to kind of switch out and change a lot of the time because of that. So let me go and rinse off this cleanser and we'll do the next part. Okay, so my face is now cleaned. I do want to say this really quickly. I always say I'm rinsing my face, but I actually don't ever rinse my face. I always scrub with a towel. I don't know. I feel like I'm going to drown. I know that's I know it sounds stupid, but that's the truth. Like, I hate splashing the water in my face. I can't breathe. And it's really a hot mess. So that's that. And it also helps exfoliate the skin. I wish I could say that's why I do it, though. That is not the reason I do it. I do it because I'm terrified of drowning myself in the sink, which I don't know how that would happen, but you know, if it was gonna happen to somebody, it would happen to me. So the next thing I want to do is something I kind of just started doing. This is I don't know what it's called exactly. I keep calling it a microdermabrader, but I don't think that's right. But it's this little tiny wheel thing, and it has all these little spikes on it. And I know it looks crazy. I know it does. That's actually how I got it. My mom bought it. And then she was like, I can't use that. It hurts my face. It's scary looking, blah, blah, blah. It's got little teeny tiny spikes. Like, it is not that serious. I like the way it feels, but what it's for is it helps you to get really down into your pores and like, it almost like pulls stuff out. Like, it opens up your pores really well to take the next step, which for us is serum. So now on a regular basis, of course, I do all this in the bathroom, but it's just hard to get this whole lighting thing in there and all that. So I was like, I'll just do it. And I've been wanting to do this forever. Oh, I see what it's called. So it says on the front, it's called a micro needle roller. And this one is 0.25 millimeters. I don't know what any of those things mean, but I love this thing. And I really like the handle. This came from TJ Maxx, if I remember correctly, and it's just the bomb. So all you do with this is you're just going to take it and I'm going to use my mirror. You just take it and you just roll it. I always roll it up. And the more pressure you put on it, the deeper it's going to go. So like the more it's going to hurt. Really, I like to focus on the parts where I have blackheads or clogged pores. Oh, sorry. Where I have blackheads or clogged pores, because it opens up your pores to receive the serum. So that's what's next. Now, serums, I didn't really mess with growing up. I just started to kind of get into them when I got into my 30s. This one came to me by way of the blog, and I'm obsessed with it. This company, Model Love Duty Beauty, sent me this. It is called the Blue Tansy Squalene Jojoba Supreme Even Skin Face Oil. So this is it. It is such a beautiful bottle. And the thing with this, it's so good. Like, so I open my pores first, squeeze the little dropper. I do like 3 to 4 drops, depending on how dry my skin is. And what this stuff does, it's almost like a primer just for your face. Like, it's just so freaking good. I love this stuff. Like, if there was one product on my vanity that I would need to have at all times, it's that one. Like, if I run out of this, I'm going to ask them to send me another one. Or I'll just have to break down and pay for it. I don't want to do that. So I rub the 3 little drops on my hands, and you can feel it warming up. It feels so good on the skin. So doing that, and I'm going to press it like that onto my face. I just want to make sure that it's all into my pores, because like you can kind of see it as I'm doing it. It starts smoothing out your skin, and always pull up, y'all. My mom and my grandmother taught me that you always pull up because wrinkles. Is that true? I don't know, but they said it, so I always believe them. That is the Blue Tansy Supreme Skin Face Oil. It's so good from My Love Duty Beauty. They are the bomb. Like, this has been my like beauty secret of 2020 so far. Which is fine because I've just been staying in the house. But it's a really good thing. Really, really good. Next, we got some more of my favorite. The It Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizer Super Cream. So this is my everyday moisturizer. I do switch it up depending on what I'm doing. But for everyday daily routine, it's this. It's super creamy. It's so... Look how thick it is. Like, I'm holding it upside down. Like a blizzard at Dairy Queen. So it's really thick though. So if you have oily skin, I don't know that I suggest you get this. I have, like I said before, a very crazy mixture of dry and oily skin. Okay, so I'm gonna actually put a little bit on my lips too, because my lips are super dry right now. Probably because I've been sick for a couple of days. Again, I know, shock. But hopefully things are on the up and up with that. But I'll talk to you about that at a later time. So just pushing it in with clean hands. I get asked all the time, like people ask me, well, what do you do every morning? You always look so pretty at work, whatever. Not right now, you can't tell because I look rough right now. But the thing is, I get up early to do all of these steps every single day. Of course, unless I'm not feeling well, then I can't. That's not really an option. But on a regular basis, I get up and do this every single day. And people are like, well, why don't you wear makeup to work? You do such great makeup on your YouTube channel. And I love makeup, I really do. But I prefer to do this daily and just help my skin maintain, which now that we're all on lockdown in our houses, it's a lot easier to take care of your skin right now than it ever has been, because if there's nothing you have right now, you got time. So moisturize the skin. Okay, so the second to last thing I do every single morning when I'm getting ready is a two-parter. I do a eye cream, which I'll be using the IT Confidence in an Eye Cream Moisturizer. This is just for under the eyes, and I also dab a little bit on my eyelids usually. I usually apply it on my ring finger, with my ring finger, because it's your smallest. It's the smoothest finger. So I'm just patting that under my eye. And then I'll dab a little bit on my lid. Because this stuff is formulated especially for the sensitive skin on your eye and around your eye. Then, this is like my favorite thing I do every morning, y'all. I know that's so ridiculous, but it's the truth. A cold rose quartz roller. So what I do with this is right where I just applied the Confidence in an Eye Cream, right underneath my eye, take the smaller side, and I'll just roll it under. It's so cooling, right? It's super duper cooling, so it feels great. For my head, it's cold, so it depuffs. I keep it in the fridge downstairs. I need to get a skin fridge, though. I really want one. And what this does, it helps drain your sinuses. It depuffs your face. And for me with my head, it really just helps me feel better. Like, if I'm not feeling good sometimes, not when I'm like in the bad migraine, you know what I mean? Oop. Not when I'm, you know, taking medication and laying on the sofa with an ice pack. This roll is not going to help me. But like sometimes when I'm downstairs doing something and I had a headache or I feel one coming on, I can start kind of rolling this for a little bit of comfort, and it feels so good. Also, Louisiana. That's all I got to say. You put this in the refrigerator, you come home, it's 3 billion degrees outside. Again, I'm rolling up. I did mess up and go the other way. Oh, my mom's going to, when she sees this, she's going to kill me. She watches all my videos. Hey, Mommy, love you. And what it does is all that mucus and all that crap that's draining out is all toxins in your body. So it helps with that too. It's like a quick little detox. So that's that. Now, if my lips are dry, which sometimes, and right now they are, but I don't, oh no, they're not that dry, but I'll use a scrub. I have a scrub in the bathroom that I use on my lips too. But daily, every single day, actually almost every time I go in the bathroom, when I'm leaving the bathroom after I wash my hands, I usually stop and grab this. This came in an Ipsy bag, and it is the Vous Macaroon lip balm. It's just a little lip balm. It's just heavier than regular lip balm. So I use it when I'm getting ready every day. And again, if I am planning, especially if I'm planning a look with a matte lipstick, that's what I do the scrub first than this. So I'm just going to pat that on my lips, like a good little lip treatment every day. Okay, so that is it for the skincare portion of my morning routine. I'm going to go put my makeup on. Okay, guys, so now I am all made up and ready to go. Thank you so much for joining me for my morning routine. I know it's a lot of steps, y'all, but if you have to sacrifice one or the other, sacrifice your makeup for your skincare, because when the makeup comes off, and not only that, but also if you don't have a good if you don't have a good canvas to start on, your paint ain't gonna look nice. So, you know, just, you can paint a new house, but if it's falling apart, girl, it's falling apart. So thank you so much for watching, for joining me for this morning routine tutorial. Again, I'm probably gonna do a night routine. Y'all let me know if y'all want that or not, and a spa night routine as well. You can hit me up on my Twitter, which should be up here, and my Instagram, which will be down there. Or you can hit me up on any other social media, which is always the last slide. Or you can leave questions or comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this week's edition of Tutorial Tuesday, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.